A 26-year-old contractor, Sachin from Bidar, tragically ended his life on a railway track, leaving behind a 7-page letter. In it, he accused Raju Kapanur, a close aide of Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge, of extortion and fraud. Sachin alleged that Kapanur took over 15 lakh from him, promising a tender that was never awarded, and later demanded an additional 1 crore. He also claimed to have received death threats from Kapanur and others, including a former corporator and 6 others. His grieving family staged a protest at the site, demanding action against those named in the letter and refusing to allow the body to be moved. Despite their resistance, the body was eventually sent for post-mortem. Priyank Kharge, Karnataka's ITBT minister, he denied any involvement, calling the allegations against him is baseless. He clarified that one of the individuals mentioned is related to a Congress corporator, but their actions do not implicate him in any way. Kharge also pointed out that the financial transactions in question were conducted legally through banks. Later, Kharge criticized the BJP for politicizing the issue, accusing them of using the tragedy to divert attention from their internal problems, such as the POSCO case involving Yediyurappa and factionalism within their party. He emphasized that despite years of accusations, the BJP has never produced any evidence against him, while his critics of their actions are always backed by facts.
Said that you want that the matter should thoroughly be proved. So,
See, there are two versions for the suicide. While the contractor is suggesting one thing, the accused have also complained another aspect of the entire incident. So I am very clear saying that whatever needs to be done has to let there be an independent and free probe, and I myself have requested the Home Minister to for an independent investigative agency within the Home Department to investigate the matter. So quite naturally the BJP thinks that they seem to have found something, but it's been a year since BJP is trying to get me to resign on frivolous grounds. Neither me, neither my department, nor the government is involved in all of these activities.
Already, or are you?
I have had a word with him, but Honorable Minister is not in Bangalore. So once he is back, I will discuss with him again.
So there are demands for not only your resignation, but for your arrest as well in this case, saying that
On
your
what
name
ground?
is...
See,
saying that
BJP...
there is, sir,
Once again, BJP does not understand the law, nor do they know that. Am I an accused? 8 people have been accused. Am I an accused? Does BJP know what the law is? Does BJP understand the the law of the land? On what basis? On what basis are they asking my arrest? Is my name there as abetment to suicide there? These people just want to practice politics, and their intention is very clear. They want to hide their own problems, internal problems. Mr. Yediyurappa is caught in the POSCO case, Mr. Muniratna case, Mr. C.T. Ravi case, and their own internal factionalism. YJP, VJP, AJP. They want to cover up all this, and not now. It's been 5 years. Priyank Kharge is their favorite dish on their menu.
why is Priyanka always targeted?
Sorry?
Why is Priyanka always
That is because I have a very strong ideological inclination, which is against their political masters. So it's quite naturally that I am always being blamed. Tell me one thing that they were able to prove. It's been so many years. Tell me one thing they have been able to pin on me. They don't come with facts. They don't come with documents. They don't come with proof. Show me one thing that I have accused of about BJP that is without documents. That is not factual. They always do hit and run. This is also a hit and run. I dare them to prove it.
Sir, you are being made target just because you are acquaintance of that person.
See, there are 8 people who have been accused. one of them is our Congress corporator's brother. That is something, it's a fact that I cannot deny. That doesn't mean that I am involved in everything. It is a pure, the accused are saying that it was a pure business transaction. They wanted money for EMD and we have given a bank, we have transferred money from the bank, which is a legal transaction. So there is no ambiguity about the said money transfer. So why it was done, how it was done, it's let it come out in the investigation.
Allegation by the
Do you
BJP.
know Raju Kapanur? Do you know him?
He is our, what did I tell? Either you're not listening or you're asking the same questions over and again. Very clearly I have mentioned that one of the accused is the Congress party's corporator's brother. I'm not denying that. How can I deny that? His brother, his own brother, is is a corporator. So does that make me or him liable to all these things? Like I said, does BJP understand the law at all?
Today there is a protest in Kalburgi, sir.
Yeah, they can. Why Kalburgi? They can protest throughout Karnataka, for all I care.